young.
Oldest to youngest. That's on the roof. Hi there.
How are you?
Is it a full wide day?
Yeah, it's a full wide day. Is it a full send day? Hey, Tate. Are you on your own path? Yes.
Are we doing little sends today or big sends?
Little send only.
Oh.
I'm gonna do big sends. I'm gonna do trio sends.
Oh, wow.
Triple sends?
Triple sends? Oh my god. Can you warm up 2 at the same time?
We loosened up your steering a little bit too, because your steering was really tight. It was really notchy and tight. I don't know why it got so tight, but now that's probably a lot what you're feeling is the steering's easier, right?
Yeah, I like turning the wheel a little bit.
How does it feel though? You like them? They feel good? Got your hand guards and everything in the right place? Oof. Tough crowd. Got it right. Oh, I'm gonna guess that he's cold. He's looking for a jacket, I think. Yeah.
I'm fit, baby. It feels like I have 6 million layers on it.
6 million layers?
Yeah.
Well, you pretty much do. Let's go at least half send. Like maybe just a little send. Cause I feel like
Little send.
Little sends are kind of lame, bro.
smoke you.
Oh yeah, I'll smoke you.
Oh, bro.
The only smoke is that you're going dang. Look, there's a bee. Right here.
Oh no.
It's trying to attack me.
Look at something.
Alright.
I was gonna make a rut track, but it's too tall. I need to go in there and knock it down, mow it, and then we could do it. Slow and then you get rear out off of it, it'll actually teach you to use the clip.
I know, but the lip is weird.
Yeah.
And it's like sideways. So.
Yeah. If you don't try, you won't never know. I haven't even seen you fail at it yet.
This thing's heavy. Dude, how can you see through this?
Can't you see through it?
No, I can't. Dude, I'm like, where's Tate? Where's Tate?
Hold it in.
Dude, how do you hold this?
Did you take any?
I don't know if I can, dude. It's heavy.
Just hold it in and it'll take pictures.
This?
The button.
Just this one.
Yeah.
Wow, that's a lot of pictures.
You got it?
Spam it. Yeah, my wrist might be broken.
Too heavy. Did you get that one? He looked at you.
Yeah, I did.
Is that pretty thick?
He says he got it.
Can I see? Did you get it?
I got it.
Nice.
You don't know if you got it?
I don't know, man. Pacer filmer. That's pretty good.
So you got it?
Yeah.
I feel like we should get a sponsor just from Jimmy John's because of how many times we go there.
We have to walk in it. Is that what you were wearing at Jimmy John's?
I'm fine.
It's cold good. This table's nice and cold. I actually fun today.
Did you have fun?
Oh, I
Whoa.
was oh my god.
Huh?
Forever.
Dance, read, activate. 3, 2, 1.
Number 1 victory royale, yeah, Fortnite, we bout to get down. 10 kills on.
Good day. Kids had fun. We had no schedule, no nothing. Ellie had stuff going on this morning. I had a conference call, so we both got that done and let the kids ride a little bit. So Kai was a little bit off at the beginning because we changed the bars, which is kind of funny. And then at the end, she told me that they're way better, and it was was just her. So all in all, a good day, fun day. Tate sounds like he was, what do we say, Tate? Tossing it? Tate was tossing it today. Can't wait to see that. Yes, I saw it on instant replay. It was huge. Big toss, Tate. Put that in the archives for when you could actually toss it. But yeah, and I rode with him and had fun. So yeah, no plan. Just ride dirt bikes, have fun, be kids, and enjoy being here at the Moto 40.